we talk about depression, we are talking about a mood disorder, we are talking about emotional disorder where you have persistent feelings of sadness, or even you lose interest in activities that you previously enjoyed. So, what is one of the main things that you can do to deal with depression? That is when you are feeling persistently sad. Um, One of the major things that you can do is to change your environment. Make changes in your environment, and your depression symptoms will definitely have to go down. Because quite often people become depressed because of the environment where they find themselves in, because the people or the things that are making them depressed are in their environment. This can be a partner, this can be a neighbor, this can be a family member, this can be someone from a group. So if it's a neighbor who is doing things or saying things that is making you depressed, then you might consider moving away from that neighborhood to a different neighborhood. If it's a partner who is saying or doing things that are making you depressed, then you might consider leaving such a relationship that is making you persistently sad. If it's a group that you join that is making you depressed, then you might think about leaving this group and joining a group that is more supportive and a group that is more positive. Basically, what I'm saying is that when people go through depression, if you can make some small changes in your environment, in your immediate environment, it will help your depression symptoms to reduce. So, there's a lot of evidence that suggests that our environment plays a huge role when it comes to our mental health, in this case, depression, not just our mental health, but also our physical health. So, if you are going through any form of depression, then you might have to think about your immediate environment and how you can make changes in this environment, and this will help your depression symptoms to reduce.